dance as well as you do. But, you know, if I do what you did, I'd break all my bones. Dahil siguro matigas ang mga bones ko. Parang pwede na akong gawing bulalo. Alright, so thank you very much, Jem. And keep on practicing. Keep on, you know, pursuing the dream of yours to be a very good dancer. Because I know that when you put your heart and your mind to it, you can do it. Mahataw talaga Pinoy. Alright? Huwag po kayong alas mga kaibigan. At babalik agad ang Hataw Pinoy Chicago. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very nice.